Welcome back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines. RJD announces 6 candidates for Jharkhand elections. RJD led by Lalu Prasad Yadav has released its candidates list for 6 constituencies in the upcoming Jharkhand Assembly elections. Tejasvi Yadav, RJD senior leader, has voiced his belief that the alliance with Hemant Soren's party will lead to another term for Soren as chief minister. Candidates fielded by RJD include Suresh Paswan, Devghar, Sanjay Prasad Yadav, Godda, and Subhash Yadav, Kodarma. RJD previously contested 7 seats but left Barkatta for their coalition partners this time. The India bloc aims to challenge the BJP-led NDA. Congress also released its candidate list, nominating 21 contenders, including 5 women. Pappu Yadav faces warrant in old code violation. A non-bailable warrant has been issued against Pappu Yadav, a member of parliament, in connection with a 1993 election code violation. His legal action involves 11 of his associates. The case, dating back 30 years, centered on Yadav and others blocking the police during the Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections. Though Yadav was previously acquitted, the case has been reopened following a government appeal. The hearing is scheduled for November 4, 2024 and adds to Yadav's controversial political career. His past has been marred by legal troubles and opposition criticism. Second phase of Jharkhand elections announced. The Election Commission has notified the second phase of Jharkhand Assembly elections scheduled for November 20, 2024. This phase will cover 38 constituencies with the nomination deadline set for October 29. Scrutiny will occur the next day and candidates have until November 1 to withdraw. Over 2.6 crore voters will participate with the first phase covering 43 seats on November 13. The battle is between the NDA and the India bloc, with both alliances fielding strong contenders in these crucial elections. CPI exits India bloc, fields 15 candidates independently. The Communist Party of India (CPI) has decided to contest independently in the Jharkhand Assembly elections, serving ties with the India alliance. CPI State Secretary Mahendra Pathak accused Hemant Soren's government of failing the youth and misguiding the electorate through misleading welfare schemes. The CPI has announced 15 candidates, 9 of whom have already been named. This move could divide opposition votes, potentially benefiting the NDA. CPI's departure has shifted the electoral dynamics in Jharkhand. Giriraj Singh sparks controversy with Trishul remark. Union Minister Giriraj Singh has triggered political uproar in Bihar with his call for Hindus to raise and use the Trishul trident for self-defense during his Hindu Swabhiman Yatra. Singh also raised concerns about the shrinking Hindu population in Simachal and hinted at the need for the NRC's implementation. Opposition leaders, including RJD's Mrityunjay Tiwari, condemned Singh's rhetoric as divisive, accusing the BJP of provoking communal unrest ahead of elections. JDU also questioned Singh's motives, asserting that law enforcement can maintain peace.